Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best John Deere tires is probably one of the most critical components for your tractor's performance, ensuring optimal traction, stability, and fuel efficiency across various terrains and demanding tasks. When you're out in the field, the right tires can mean the difference between a productive day and a frustrating one, impacting everything from plowing depth to the comfort of your ride. Investing in high-quality, durable tires designed specifically for John Deere equipment is paramount for maximizing your machine's potential and ensuring longevity. Number 5. MaxAuto 15X 6.00-6 Lawn Mower Tire, Set of 2. Introducing the MaxAuto 15X 6.00-6 Lawn Mower Tire, designed for your lawn and garden equipment. This set of 2 offers a reliable solution for your mowing needs. With a 4-ply rating and a 570 pounds capacity, these tires are built to last. They are tubeless and ready for your riding mower, tractor, or golf cart. The specialized turf tread provides excellent traction, especially on slopes, while minimizing damage to your lawn. Keep your yard looking its best with every use. These 15X 6.00-6 tires fit a variety of lawn mowers, riding mowers, lawn tractors, garden tractors, and golf carts. Ensure a perfect fit for your machine. This package includes a set of 2 tires, ready to be mounted on your existing wheels. Please verify your original tire size, 15X 6.00-6, before purchasing. What we like. This tire features a specialized turf tread designed for dependable traction, especially on hills. It significantly reduces damage to your lawn. If you're looking for a reliable tire that protects your grass while providing good grip, this is a great choice for your lawn mower or garden tractor. What people say. The tires are very durable and have lasted a long time. They provide excellent traction, even on wet surfaces. The tread pattern is designed for optimal grip and stability. Number 4. MaxAuto 16X 6.50-8 Lawn Mower Tire, 2-pack. Introducing the MaxAuto 16X 6.50-8 Lawn Mower Tires, designed for your garden and riding tractors. This set includes 2 durable tires. Featuring our Turf Tech tread, these tires offer enhanced traction on grassy surfaces, especially on hills. They are designed to minimize damage to your lawn. Each tire measures 16x 6.50-8 with a 4 PR load rating. They have a section width of 6.4 inches and an overall diameter of approximately 16 inches, with a max load of 620 pounds. These tires are compatible with a wide range of lawn mowers, riding mowers, and garden tractors. They are perfect for various grass-cutting equipment. You will receive a set of 2 16x 6.50-8 lawn mower tires. Please note that wheels are not included. Before purchasing, please verify your original tire size to ensure you are ordering the correct fit. This product is size 16x 6.50-8, not 18x 6.50-8. What we like. With its Turf Tech tread, this tire offers superior traction on grassy surfaces and minimizes slippage on inclines. It's built to last with a 4-ply rating. If you frequently mow on uneven terrain or hills and need a tire that offers both safety and lawn protection, this option is ideal for your riding mower or garden tractor. What people say. The tires are designed for excellent traction in muddy conditions. The tread pattern provides superior grip on various terrains. These tires offer great durability and resistance to punctures. Number 3. ARPRO 15X 6.00-6 Front Tire and Wheel Assembly. Introducing the ARPRO Exact Replacement Front Tire and Wheel Assembly. These pre-assembled wheels are designed to save you time and money, offering a perfect fit for your John Deere riding mower. These pneumatic wheels are specifically designed to fit various models within the John Deere 100, D100, E100, L100, LA100, LT, and STX series riding mowers. Always check your existing tire's sidewall for exact size information. This 2-pack assembly features a 3-inch centered hub and 3 4-inch bushings. They are also compatible with other brands and models, provided the wheel size, hub, and bushing diameter match your current setup. Engineered for durability, each assembly boasts a 400-pound maximum load capacity. They are constructed with premium rubber compounds for reliable performance in all seasons and have a 4-ply rating with a maximum PSI of 30. The specialized turf tire tread is designed with a wider footprint and shallower depth to minimize damage to your lawn and other sensitive surfaces. You'll experience improved traction and maneuverability, even on gravel and sand. What we like. This product comes as a pre-assembled tire and wheel unit, saving you time and effort. It's designed as an exact replacement for select John Deere models, featuring a turf tire tread that minimizes surface disturbance. If you own a compatible John Deere riding mower and want a convenient, direct replacement that's gentle on your lawn, this assembly is the perfect solution. What people say. The tires are very durable and hold up well under heavy use. Excellent traction on various terrains, making it easy to maneuver in mud and on hills. The tread design provides great stability and prevents slippage, even when pulling heavy loads. Number 2. MaxAuto 20X10-8 AG Lug Riding Mower Tires. Introducing the MaxAuto 20X10-8 AG Lug Riding Mower Tires. These durable tires are designed to provide superior traction and performance for your lawn equipment. Each tire in this set of 2 features a 4-ply construction and a load capacity of 1,190 pounds. They are built to handle tough jobs with ease. The Super Lug tread design offers maximum pulling and pushing power, making them ideal for garden tractors, tillers, and more. These tubeless tires are compatible with a wide range of lawn mowers, garden tractors, ATVs, and utility vehicles that require a 20x10-8 size. This package includes a pair of tires, ready to be mounted on your existing wheels. Please ensure you check your original tire size before purchasing. Engineered for non-highway service, these tires are perfect for all your landscaping and property maintenance tasks, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation. What we like. This tire boasts a sharp, aggressive lug tread designed for maximum pulling and pushing power. It also has a very high load capacity, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. If you need superior traction for demanding tasks like plowing, tilling, or working on challenging terrain with your garden tractor or ATV, this Super Lug tire is built for the job. What people say. The tires are very durable and hold up well under heavy use. Excellent traction on various terrains, making it easy to maneuver in mud and uneven ground. The tread design provides great stability and reduces slippage, even when pulling heavy loads. Number 1. MaxAuto 16X 6.50-8 Front Tires and Wheels Assembly. Introducing the MaxAuto 16X 6.50-8 Front Tires and Wheels Assembly, designed for your lawn mower and garden tractors. Experience enhanced mobility and a smoother ride with these durable, pneumatic tires. These tires feature a 16x 6.50-8 size, a 3-inch offset hub, and a 3/4-inch bearing diameter. They offer a robust load capacity of 615 pounds and are tubeless for convenience. Perfect for various lawn tractor and garden tractor models, they also fit wheelbarrows, garden carts, and other outdoor power equipment. Please check compatibility with your specific model. Enjoy superior traction and a significantly smoother ride thanks to the air-filled pneumatic design. This allows your equipment to operate at its optimal speed. Each package contains 2 tubeless 16x 6.50-8 tires and wheels, along with adapter kits for easy conversion. Please note these are not intended for highway use. For vintage lawn mowers, measure your shaft diameter first. Ensure that the tire size, hub length, hub type, and bushing diameter all match for perfect compatibility. What we like. This tire and wheel assembly offers a smooth ride thanks to its pneumatic design, providing excellent traction and mobility. It features an offset hub for specific fitting needs and is versatile enough for various outdoor power equipment. If you prioritize a comfortable ride, need an offset hub for your front mower wheels, or are looking for a durable tire for garden carts and other equipment, this assembly is a practical choice. What people say. The tires are very durable and have held up well under heavy use. Excellent traction on various terrains, making it easy to maneuver in mud and on hills. The tread design provides great stability and reduces slippage, even when pulling heavy loads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.